I'm back again with another delicious recipe, this time pantaras. Pantaras is a delectable Anglo-Indian snack recipe that has a crispy texture and a pungent aroma. So please note down the ingredients and let's get started. So we'll start by preparing a filling. For that we'll heat a pan, add in oil and minced meat into it. In goes salt, give a nice mix, break the meat apart using a spatula. Fry the meat until cooked completely. Do not keep the meat moist, it should dry completely. Now add in a chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of ginger, chopped onions, 3 medium-sized chopped onions, give it a good mix. We have already added salt earlier while adding meat. So after adding chopped onions, we'll add salt once more. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add in a coarsely ground green chilies. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes more. And the filling is ready. You can check the salt at this point. If needed, you can add a little. And the filling is ready. Set it aside. Now for the pastry, we'll take all-purpose flour, 1 cup, add in a little salt, a pinch of color, food color, you can use Jafrani rang, Now add in a water. Whisk the mixture well to make a smooth batter. Stir until there is no lumps. Do not prepare too thick or too thin batter. You can see the consistency over here. It's a little runny. Now take a pan, brush with oil. Pour a spoonful of batter into the fry pan and spread it all over, making a round circle. You can use a spoon or a spatula, or you can also roll the pan to spread the batter over it evenly. Cook the pancake until the underside is lightly colored. Now take one pancake and place it on a clean and dry surface. Then spread some prepared filling over it in the middle. Now fold the edges. And make a roll from it. Keep it aside and similarly do the same with remaining pancakes. So all the rolls are ready over here. Now we'll fry them. Oil should be hot, not excessively. Fry it on a medium flame. Let it turn a golden brown and crispy. Do not keep the flame high. You might burn your pantaras. Fry on a medium flame till they turn a little golden brown and crisp. When done, take them out. Arrange the pan rolls and serve them hot with your favorite dip. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share it with your family and friends.